Hello YouTube, it's Dan Scott here. I'm just about to start making a Photoshop course and I need your help just with a couple of things just to get the outline right because Photoshop's a big program. I'm going to make a nice big course. There'll be an intro and an advanced one, but there's so many things we could cover. I just want to make sure I get, a good cross section in there for you. So I'd like to know a couple of things for you, from you actually. And one is what you use it for. You're a photographer normally, what's your profession? What's your kind of main go-to? You're a retoucher, are you a social media person, UI designer, animator, illustrator? What are you using Photoshop for? Then I want to know any techniques that you specifically want to know. Okay, you might be brand new, it might be like layers or blending modes, or it might be some sort of advanced masking that you have trouble with, or animation, anything like that. Let me know the techniques. You can do those in the YouTube comments down below. And the last thing is the styles that you want to see. It might be design trends and just cool effects that you want to know how to make, or maybe it's something that you're doing. You're like, man, I'm hoping, you want to know if you're doing it the right way or the quickest way. And I can include those in the course. Those are a little bit harder to see because quite often those are visual. You can't put images in YouTube comments. So try the social media. So try me on Twitter or Instagram. On Twitter, I'm Dan Loves Adobe, and on Instagram, I'm Bring Your Own Laptop. So just send me screenshots or whatever of things that you want to do and you'd like to do, and I'll try and include them in the course. Okay, the other thing is you might want to pre-register. Okay, so the courses are coming out, the essentials will come out in June 2018, and the advanced one the next month. So pre-register, there'll be both of those links in the description. You can register for both of them, and just means you'll be the first to know when it comes out. Last thing is if it's beyond that date, which is probably going to be really soon. Okay, if you're sitting in August 2018, those same links will take you to the actual course that I made. So we'll be finished by then. Yeah, that's it. All right, YouTube, goodbye.